Could you imagine a world where politicians openly advocate for the use of nuclear weapons? A chilling scenario, isn't it? But this is not a product of imagination, it's a reality. A reality that unfolded in the Middle East in the autumn of 2023. Our tale begins on a seemingly ordinary day in October when an Israeli lawmaker, Revital Tali Gottlieb, took to the social media platform X to voice her controversial views on the ongoing war with Hamas. Gottlieb, known for her inflammatory remarks, urged her government to use everything in its arsenal, including doomsday weapons against Hamas. She referenced Israel's Jericho ballistic missiles in her post, an intercontinental ballistic missile, capable of striking almost anywhere in the world. It's worth noting that Israel is widely understood to have anywhere from 100 to 200 nuclear warheads, a fact the government has neither confirmed nor denied. Gottlieb didn't stop there. She continued to express the need for merciless action against Hamas, stating that only an explosion that shakes the Middle East will restore Israel's dignity, strength, and security. Her follow-up post received widespread attention but was tagged with a disclaimer for potentially violating platform rules against violent speech. Meanwhile, on the ground, the situation was escalating. Hamas launched a surprise attack on Israel, prompting a state of war declaration and over 200 airstrikes by the Israel Defense Forces. The conflict resulted in civilian deaths and injuries on both sides, with at least 1,200 Israelis and 830 Palestinians killed. In response to Gottlieb's posts, X decided not to delete them as they were deemed to be in the public interest. However, the platform tagged her post as potentially violating rules against violent speech. In the aftermath of these events, Israel's Ministry of Defense remained silent, choosing not to comment on the situation. To sum up, we've seen a chilling development in the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. A member of the Israeli government openly advocated for the use of nuclear weapons, a move that has drawn widespread condemnation and concern. The conflict has resulted in a significant number of civilian casualties, and the world watches on, awaiting the next development in this volatile situation.